Hello, and welcome to Brazing Copper Joints. This will be your student pacing guide for this module over the next 2 weeks. Introduction. By the end of the next 2 weeks, you will be able to explain and demonstrate the proper process to braze copper joints commonly made in the HVACR trade. This will culminate in you passing the NCCR Level 1 HVACR Copper Braze Joints Performance Task with at least an 80% on the Performance Task rubric. Looking ahead, you will complete a prerequisite knowledge GIM kit. You will watch industry direct training videos. Next, you will practice in your shop area. You will record and post to a discussion board. In that discussion board, you will receive peer and instructor feedback. Using that feedback, you will practice in your shop area again. You will record and receive instructor feedback. And finally, you will record and submit for performance task assessment. Prerequisite knowledge GIM kit. Please play the GIM kit quiz using the link or QR code by Wednesday of the first week. Industry direct training videos. Please view all videos by Wednesday of the first week. These videos can be used as a reference while practicing in your shop area. Practice makes perfect. You are going to use the lessons learned in the industry-produced instructional videos to practice the complete process of brazing copper joints in the shop area you are provided by your employer, organization, vocational program, or college. Show your skills. Now that you've had time to practice, it's time to show your new skills. By Friday of the first week, you are to narrate a video, PowerPoint presentation, or other media type that allows you to explain your brazing process in detail while showing your finished work. Your media file will be uploaded to a discussion board on a selected LMS by Friday of the first week. Discussion board post, peer and instructor feedback. After you post your initial narrated video to the discussion board, you are to watch the media posted by all of your classmates. You must give 2 of your fellow classmates advice based on what you found worked well for you. You must also give positive feedback to 2 of your classmates as well. All feedback posts are due by Monday of week 2. You will also receive direct feedback from me, your instructor. Practice makes perfect. You're going to use the lessons learned in the industry-produced instructional videos while incorporating both the peer and instructor feedback to practice the complete process of brazing copper joints. This again will happen in the shop area you're provided by your employer, organization, vocational program, or college. Show your skills. Now that you've received feedback from your peers and instructor, it's time to practice with purpose. Using both the feedback you received and the rubric categories listed on the next slide, practice until you feel confident. By Thursday of the second week, you are to once again narrate a video, PowerPoint presentation, or other media type that allows you to explain your brazing process in detail while showing your finished work. Your media file will be uploaded as an assignment on the selected LMS by Wednesday of the second week. Direct feedback will be given to each student from the instructor within 24 hours. Here are your rubric categories. The student selected and demonstrated the safe use of the proper tool to cut copper pipe that was under 4 inches in diameter. Student demonstrated how copper pipe or tubing should be prepared after every cut. Student demonstrated the proper way to prepare copper pipes and fitting for brazing. The student can explain and demonstrate the proper flux to apply for brazing copper to brass. The student can explain and demonstrate the use of capillary action in the brazing process. And finally, the student can demonstrate a leak-free copper braze joint that holds 400 psi of compressed air or nitrogen when placed underwater. Now it is time for your NCCR Level 1 Copper Braze Joint Performance Task. Using both the feedback you received and the rubric categories as your guide, you are to once again narrate a video, PowerPoint presentation, or other media type that allows you to explain your brazing process in detail while showing your finished work will hold 400 psi of compressed air or nitrogen while underwater. Your media file will be uploaded as an assignment on the selected LMS by Sunday of the second week. I wish you all luck in completing your module. Thank you.